My people, Ghana don't become first country where receive COVID vaccine. This one are through World Health Organization for COVAX program. For now, we no, I don't bring am now. World Health Organization, they give all African countries vaccine, and now they don't start from Ghana, #1 champion. They send aeroplane with 600,000 vaccines for Ghana. As we dey talk like this, no be small jubilation, no. President Nana Akufo-Addo just dey, in fact, he just dey plan different celebration everywhere. No be small thing, no. My people, I'm not saying now as I don't bring this on, I go get many things to talk, but see, make a first stay on my mind. If you ask me, I just dey see different red flags for this case. And when I not say red means danger, now me say automatically when I suppose know by now say I no agree. But relax, I don't come give una my own reasons. Many things they attached to this one, I know they support them. First of all, my people, when una hear say white people they give African things or some things, una suppose no say by now no be free something. Una suppose they alert because these people they don't give anything for free. Oh. If they give you one, they go take 10. They know they play with white people. Even with themselves, they know how they run their matter. So imagine black people. And you know by now how they see us. I don't need to talk am. You understand? So that one alone, don't make me sit down, they think am. And this one now, so now they say, they bring donations now with different policies. For instance, now this homosexuality thing where they ground, una no even know. They get headquarters as they talk to una like this for Accra. These LGBT people, they don't get headquarters for Accra. And President Nana Akufo-Addo never still condemn am. You understand? Normal level. Okay, we are not in support of this or shut it down or something. He never even talk am. To the extent where bishops for Catholic even gas calling attention. My people. This one alone, they make me they think many things. Then number 2, who be one of the biggest people where they sponsor World Health Organization? Bill Gates. Same person where come outside they tell us matter some years back. Say the world today overpopulated. Say they need depopulator. I go teach you in English today. To depopulate, and be say they need reduce them. Say we too plenty. This one alone suppose make you think deep. Think deep, oh. Make una not just dey surprise if later una go just hear say all the people wey take this vaccine say they no fit born again, oh, they no fit do this one. All the normal things when I know say that they do, una go just discover say una no fit do am. Make una no just dey surprise because I don't bring am today. Number 3 reason. All the laboratories now where they don't release this vaccine from, you understand where they bring am from? As I dey talk to una, they don't sign waiver. Meaning say all of una wey go take this thing, they don't protect themselves now from any lawsuit. So if you take am, you do on your own. For now, we don't know what it mean. Or you are on your own. If anything happen to you, you no get any right, single right like this, where you go come outside, you dey point fingers, you dey accuse person, you no get any rights. Una government don't sign them. All these things where they talk about, they don't already sign them, they don't undertake them. So make una open una ear. See, I'll bring this thing so that una eyes go open. I don't need tell una again, make una dey wise. If you not say you need me to tell you to be wise, wherever you are now, need that, let me start praying for you. Because you need extra deliverance. Next one, make I even go straight to our leaders. African leaders, na them, ogas at the top. Mr. Nana Akufo-Addo, President, sir, Your Excellency, sir. They don't give you free vaccine now. You don't come out, they throw party, they jubilate, they celebrate. Like say na him buy am. Like say he use him money, buy something. Meanwhile, na free. Oga launcher. Any small thing, you go launch. Any small thing, you go launch. So you go buy string now for first lady. You go come launch am. Anything where they happen for Ghana na launching ceremony. Una no know. I bet make I even give una just small taste. You understand? Because if not, we go sleep here. First one wey happen, they give them cooking utensils. Celebration come. After that one, they build shit hole. Sorry, toilet. ceremony happen. Ngwanu. They give them soapy, ceremony happen. Ngwanu. Now vaccine, ceremony too. Omo, ceremony upon ceremony. Like say person waste money. Ghana researchers say they never even sit down say okay, make we examine make we examine this matter. They never do am so that they go come out with results. Say okay, it's safe or it's not safe. You understand? They won't start to the ceremony. They won't start the share and they won't start to inject people. Make una take una time. Now why I bring this matter? Because some of una now una go dey rush. Joy overflow in your heart. Vaccine don't come. Una go dey run, they join queue, they take injection, they do this one. Una no know wetin una even all of una wey they celebrate. If only una know. Una go even pause 1 minute, think about una life. Why we even they talk about this vaccine? Last time we I check, World Health Organization borrow our president Nana Akufo-Addo money. No be thousands. Now billions we they talk about like this, money. All in the name of waiting. The agreement be say, okay, say go build 88 hospitals for Ghana. And that one happened last year. Till today, we did 2021 now. We never even see anything where they say that they build. Different noise everywhere. I remember when this matter happened. 88 hospitals. Ungwanu, they give you money now. Where the money? Make it not be waiting they think, oh. Hope say no be that money una don't use do campaign for us. I don't they think about this matter since my people. No wonder. Anywhere you go just hear prices, houses, properties, money, account balance. This one, even person will not get any high level for politics. If una dey see mansions, properties where they get. This one get 16, this one get 20, estate, this one wife do this one. No be for also for themselves. Selfishness everywhere. No wonder. Now they understand because money just they vanish. The only thing where we they hear, okay, this is the agreement, so amount has been given to so person. Now the last news where we they hear. After that, na Panadol Extra. We don't know where it enter, we don't know where it come out. Now they make Ghanaians they owe. For now we don't know una they owe. Sit down there they chop banku and fufu. Una they owe. If only una know. Una go start the work. Selfish people everywhere. My people, now the matter where I say make I bring una. I have come because I am your eye opener. So you understand? So that when eye go open. So if you not like, listen. If you not like, no listen. Wait, make they do research. Find out very well before you take any action. Very, very important. So drop those comments for that comment section because I know soon I get many things to talk about. And I will reply now one by one. Share this video. Make everybody know what they happen for this house. And if you never subscribe, that is soon I will miss everything where we drop here. Stay tuned for our next story.